when they got my local police officer in the case from my local police force, when they got him up on the oath and they asked him, why are you bringing this case against our client? He said, because I've been forced to. And this was in court. And they said, so you've got no say whether you think these legislation, these powers need to be put on this man. And he said, I'm simply following orders. And then they asked him again, OK, then, in your view, does Mr. Lennon need to be banned under these conditions? And he answered honestly. He was a Bedfordshire police officer, and he said, no, he doesn't. So the next officer in the case again, who was summoned from my local police force, said again, at the end, these two officers, so they went against what the government and what the hierarchy of the police were attempting to do, and they told the truth when on oath. The truth that they've been forced to do this, that I don't warrant these conditions or these powers against me. And from that, the judge dismissed the case. Whilst dismissing the case, she said in open court, in fact, she didn't say it in open, once she read out in open court, she also handed her statement of what she had said to all of the press. And in the statement, it said that she has found the top police officer, his name is Roger Evans from the UK Football Policing Unit. She found his evidence vague, cagey and unreliable and basically dishonest. So she saw exactly what they were doing. And I'm lucky that I had a judge that had courage, because I know in a difficult position they're in when it's against me. And those two police officers who stood on oath, they would have gone against what their hierarchy and what their leaders wanted them to do. And so it installed a bit of faith that I looked at the police officers. And at the end, the police officer come over to me after the court case. He shook my hand and said, Stephen, we didn't want to do this.
Thanks for watching. Click here to never miss a Rebel update. Want even more of the Rebel? Well, click here to become a premium member.